You're tuning in to 5472 Toy Review. This time we feature Rodimus. To be honest with you, I find it funny because in the cartoon series of G1, the guy's name is Hot Rod. Okay, Hot Rod is the like the warrior version, the ordinary rank and file version of Rodimus Prime. So ito yun. Ito yung rank and file version niya, yung ordinary Autobot version ni Rodimus Prime, ano. So if you would see here, dito sa Pilipinas wala pa naman kayo nakikitang ganitong kotse. Kahit ako wala pa ako nakikitang ganito. Kasi basically ang inspiration nito si Hot Rod or si Rodimus is a Japanese futuristic car which was designed way back 1986. Yeah, 1986 siya dinesign kasi una nag-appear si Hot Rod sa 1986 classic movie ng Transformers. For those of you na ang alam lang na pelikula ng Transformers ay nung pinalabas noong 2007, this is to inform you that the very first movie of Transformers was released or was shown in cinemas way back 1986. And this guy here, si Hot Rod, siya yung turns out to be the successor ni Optimus Prime para maging leader of Autobots for the rest of season 3. So yung Transformers movie, it's like a transition period between Transformers G1 season 2 to season 3. So here it is. Basically, personality ni Rodimus Prime, para siyang bata, para siyang style teenager or something. But we can see here, we have the usual hologram, o yung usual Autobot sign na present way back 1980s. Kasi mo para lumabas yung sign niya, sign ng Autobot. And of course, plastic siya, hindi siya yung mga usual na hindi siya yung mga usual na Anchor series. But how to convert this thing is a challenging part. Okay, first of all, you have to break the legs. Literally, you have to remove this one here. So it's this one. And of course, inaamin ko medyo masikip tong na to. Medyo mahirap siyang i-convert. Yan. Lalabas mo yung gulong niya. Baba mo to. Yan. Etong medyo delicate part dito, yan, yung legs na yan, yan din sa kabila, yan. And of course, the arms, isa pang mahirap yan. You'll just have to release this both. Sikip ha, sikip, grabe. Well, I guess you'll just have to wait kasi medyo masikip. Medyo masikip talaga. Medyo masikip itong yan partida. Plastic lang yan, hindi yan bakal. Ibig sabihin, hindi kinakalawang to. Which is talagang masikip lang talaga. Masikip lang talaga itong i-convert. Here. Oh, grabe. Masisira ko yata yung laruan ko. Oh? Grabe yan. Sige pa. Yan. Okay. So, yeah, that's a cool part here. Once you have released the arms, iikutin mo lang yan. Bababa mo lang yan. Yala. Kita mo na yung ulo niya. Of course, baba mo to. Yan. Siyempre, labas mo rin yung kamay. Yan. Kabila. Okay. So, ito. Kailangan mo iangat to, then yung pinakapakpak niya medyo may pagka-style pong pagungayan actually. You have to rotate this thing there. Yan. Yung paa niya kailangan mo ilabas. So it's this one. Yan. Yung torso niya kailangan medyo i-forward mo yung torso niya, no? Yan. So, yan. Basically, ang disadvantage, yung medyo loopholes netong laruan na to. You'll see the head, you'll see the face of Rodimus Prime. Hot Rod. Hindi niya kamukha yung hindi niya kamukha yung classic series talaga. Yung 1980s na release. Yung cartoons version ng Hot Rod. But somehow they managed to do a cool version of this in toys. Kasi way back some years ago, of course, limited lang ang points of articulation. But with this, you'll enjoy this. If you're a points of articulation fan, you'll enjoy posing him at different angle. So, somehow medyo marami-rami. Kaya lang, limited din kasi yung arms niya, hindi mo naman ma-extend masyado. Okay, yan. Okay, so this concludes our toy review for Hot Rod or Rodimus Prime. I hope you liked him. Good night.